What's going on, guys? Rhino here with Rhino Stuff, and the stuff I've got today is a building kit. This is a flying parrot from Vziimo. It's got about 1,100 pieces in it. Actually, it's got quite a few more than that. There were tons of extras, but yeah, I'm going to stop talking now, and you guys can watch the build. And there you go. That was the Flying Parrot from Vziimo. Yeah, it was actually a pretty easy build, according to my wife. There were a lot of little fiddly pieces, but she was able to put it all together in really a quick amount of time. I was pretty impressed with it. And, yeah, she had a good time building it. The mechanism there, the little spinny doodad in the back, actually you turn it counterclockwise when you're holding it with your right hand, and that gives you the best flappy movement. I was pretty impressed with it. Everything went together really well. And even those little fiddly bits, they're not that fiddly once it's put together, because there were kind of a few times where I was manhandling it with my weird sausage fingers here, and I didn't knock any pieces off, which was awesome. The pieces are, they attach, but they're not like, they attach and then they can kind of swivel. They got a little bit of movement there. And I like that a lot, especially on those flowers, because those are teeny tiny. Those are gonna break off if you're not careful, but turns out you don't gotta be that careful. So, color me impressed. I really like this kit, and I'm really pleased because this company also sent me another one. I've got it right over here. 1,400 piece robot. Check that guy out. Yeah, I'm looking at it over there on my screen. I'm really looking forward to putting this together. This is going to be the first video in my new studio because, guys, this is the next to last video in this particular office. I am moving. We've got a new house. My room right here is the last one to get packed up. And yeah, just can't wait. So it's going to be a couple more weeks. The rest of the house is pretty much empty, so this right here is going to be my big project this weekend. And if you're looking for a big weekend project, honestly, I recommend this. It's pretty darn cool. They also have an eagle, and I think they've got a phoenix. I really want to do the eagle next. Not so much the phoenix. Anyways, yeah, links are going to be down there in the description. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and I will see you all later. Bye.